Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what simple changes could add thousands to your home's value? What if some overlooked upgrades could turn your property into a buyer's dream? Whether you're planning to sell soon, or just want to invest in your biggest asset, there are insider tricks that real estate pros swear by. Join us on this deep dive into the 7 secrets that can maximize your home's market value and give you the best return on investment. Curb appeal, the first impression that sells. The moment a potential buyer pulls up to your home, a judgment is made within seconds. A well-maintained, visually appealing exterior instantly signals value, while a neglected one can turn buyers away before they even step inside. A freshly painted front door, well-manicured landscaping, and a clean, pressure-washed driveway can make a world of difference. The goal is to create an inviting atmosphere that makes buyers feel like they're walking into their future home, not just another listing. Small upgrades pack a big punch. Swapping out outdated house numbers, installing modern outdoor lighting, and adding potted plants near the entrance can create an elegant, welcoming feel. If your home siding looks worn out, a fresh coat of paint or even just a thorough cleaning can refresh its entire appearance. Even updating the mailbox to something stylish and modern helps elevate the overall aesthetic. These changes may seem minor, but they work together to set the tone for the rest of the home tour. A lush green lawn is a powerful selling tool. If your yard has patches or looks dull, consider reseeding, aerating, or even investing in sod for an instant transformation. Well-placed flower beds or decorative shrubs add charm and personality, giving the home a well-loved and cared-for feel. Even something as simple as adding a new welcome mat or repainting the fence can create a sense of warmth that buyers appreciate. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it also increases perceived value. Studies show that homes with great curb appeal can sell for up to 7% more than similar properties with neglected exteriors. The investment is minimal, but the payoff is huge. When your home looks stunning from the street, buyers walk in with higher expectations, which makes them more likely to see its full potential. Kitchen upgrades, the heart of the home that sells. A beautifully updated kitchen is one of the biggest selling points for any home. Buyers don't just want a functional space, they want one that feels modern, stylish, and move-in ready. Even if a full remodel isn't in the budget, strategic updates can make an outdated kitchen feel fresh and inviting. Swapping out old cabinet hardware, updating light fixtures, or installing a sleek backsplash can breathe new life into the space without breaking the bank. Stainless steel appliances are a game changer. If your appliances are mismatched or outdated, upgrading to energy-efficient stainless steel models adds both aesthetic appeal and practical value. Buyers love the look of a cohesive, modern kitchen, and knowing that appliances are up to date can be a major deciding factor. A fresh coat of neutral paint on cabinets or walls can also brighten the space, making it feel larger and more open. Countertops and flooring are where buyers' eyes go first. If your countertops are worn or outdated, replacing them with quartz or granite instantly elevates the kitchen's appeal. For flooring, swapping out old linoleum or stained tile with luxury vinyl plank or hardwood-look flooring can create a high-end feel without the high-end price tag. These updates provide a clean, modern look that appeals to today's home buyers. Smart home technology in the kitchen is a major plus. Touchless faucets, under-cabinet lighting, and smart thermostats that control the room's temperature create a sense of modern luxury. Even small touches like soft-closed drawers or a well-organized pantry can impress buyers. The kitchen is a deal-breaker for many buyers, so investing in upgrades here gives you one of the highest returns on investment. Bathroom enhancements. Small upgrades, big value. Bathrooms are another key area that can make or break a sale. Buyers want a space that feels clean, fresh, and spa-like. If a full renovation isn't possible, simple updates like replacing old faucets, upgrading the vanity, or installing modern light fixtures can dramatically improve the bathroom's appearance. A well-lit, well-maintained bathroom can add significant value without requiring a massive budget. New mirrors and updated hardware can instantly modernize the space. Frameless mirrors or stylish vanity lighting can give the bathroom a luxurious high-end feel. Swapping out outdated brass fixtures for sleek black, matte gold, or brushed nickel finishes creates a more contemporary look that resonates with buyers. A fresh coat of light, neutral paint enhances brightness and makes the space feel larger. Walk-in showers and upgraded tiling are top features buyers love. If there's room for improvement, replacing an old bathtub with a sleek glass-enclosed shower can boost your home's appeal. High-quality tile work, whether on the shower walls or flooring, adds an elegant touch that makes the space feel more like a spa retreat. Even adding a rainfall showerhead or built-in shelving enhances functionality and luxury. Storage space is a huge selling point. Buyers love well-organized bathrooms, so adding floating shelves, under-sink storage, or built-in niches for toiletries can make a big difference. Simple, cost-effective solutions like stylish baskets, towel racks, or a new medicine cabinet keep things neat and appealing. A well-designed bathroom can significantly increase your home's overall value, making it a must-update space before listing. Energy efficiency, a smart investment that saves money. More buyers are prioritizing energy efficiency than ever before. Homes that are energy efficient not only attract eco-conscious buyers, but also offer cost savings that make the property more desirable. Simple updates like installing a smart thermostat, upgrading insulation, and sealing air leaks can improve energy efficiency while reducing utility bills. These changes don't just add value, they also make the home more comfortable. Windows and doors play a huge role in efficiency. Replacing old, drafty windows with energy-efficient models can lower heating and cooling costs, making the home more attractive to buyers. Similarly, upgrading to a well-insulated front door or adding weather stripping can enhance comfort while improving curb appeal. These investments may seem small, but they significantly impact long-term value. Solar panels are a major selling point in today's market. While the upfront cost is higher, homes with solar energy systems often sell for more and appeal to buyers looking for sustainable options. Even if installing full solar panels isn't an option, investing in energy-efficient appliances and LED lighting can demonstrate a commitment to sustainability, which buyers appreciate. Smart home features add both efficiency and convenience. Buyers love programmable thermostats, motion-sensing lights, and security systems that integrate with smartphones. These features make a home feel more modern, while also enhancing energy savings. A home that's both high-tech and energy-efficient stands out in a competitive market, making it a top choice for potential buyers. Smart technology, the future of home value. Modern buyers are looking for homes that offer both convenience and security, and smart technology is the key to meeting those expectations. Features like smart thermostats, video doorbells, and app-controlled lighting systems add a futuristic appeal that sets your home apart from the competition. A home that integrates seamlessly with modern technology not only attracts more buyers, but can also command a higher selling price. Security is a top priority for many homeowners, and smart security systems have become a must-have feature. Keyless entry locks, motion-activated cameras, and video doorbells give buyers peace of mind, knowing they can monitor their home from anywhere. Even automated outdoor lighting adds an extra layer of security, making the home feel safer while enhancing curb appeal at night. A home that's already equipped with these features is a major selling point. Entertainment and automation are becoming more popular in home design. Smart speakers, integrated home theater systems, and automated blinds can transform an ordinary space into a high-tech haven. Buyers love the idea of controlling their home with just their voice or smartphone, and these features make the property feel more luxurious. Even simple additions like USB outlets in key areas add a modern touch that buyers notice. Energy-efficient smart home features are particularly valuable. Programmable thermostats, smart irrigation systems, and Wi-Fi connected appliances help homeowners reduce energy consumption while adding convenience. A home that's already set up for efficiency and ease of use is highly appealing, and many buyers are willing to pay more for a space that feels move-in ready with cutting-edge technology. Maximizing storage, making every space count. A cluttered home feels smaller and less inviting, while a well-organized home gives buyers the impression of more space and better functionality. Built-in storage solutions, custom closets, and multifunctional furniture make a home feel more efficient and appealing. Buyers love spaces that feel spacious, and maximizing storage is one of the easiest ways to achieve that. Closets are a big selling point. A walk-in closet with built-in shelving, drawers, and clever organization tools can make a master bedroom feel even more luxurious. Even smaller closets can be optimized with extra hanging rods, shoe racks, and overhead storage. Buyers want to see that every inch of the home is being used effectively, and a well-organized closet makes a big impression. Kitchens and bathrooms also benefit from added storage solutions. Pull-out pantry shelves, lazy Susans, and custom spice racks create a sense of order in the kitchen. In bathrooms, extra shelving, mirrored medicine cabinets, and floating vanities with hidden storage give buyers the impression that the space is designed for both style and practicality. Thoughtful storage solutions make a home feel more functional and desirable. Garages, basements, and even entryways can benefit from organization upgrades. Overhead storage racks, built-in mudroom cubbies, and pegboards for tools help maximize underutilized spaces. Buyers appreciate homes that offer plenty of storage because it makes day-to-day living easier. By showcasing these features, you create a home that feels both stylish and efficient, making it an irresistible option in the market. Fresh paint and flooring, the instant transformation. Few upgrades make a home feel brand new as quickly as fresh paint and updated flooring. A neutral color palette creates a bright, open atmosphere, making rooms feel larger and more inviting. Walls with scuff marks, outdated wallpaper, or bold color choices can turn buyers away, while a fresh coat of paint and soft, neutral tones makes the space feel fresh and move-in ready. Choosing the right paint colors can significantly impact a buyer's perception. Light grays, warm whites, and soft beiges create a timeless look that appeals to a wide range of tastes. Accent walls and subtle tones can add personality without overwhelming the space. Even painting doors and trim can give the home a more polished, high-end feel. A well-painted home signals care and maintenance, reassuring buyers that the property is in great shape. Flooring is another major factor that buyers focus on. Worn-out carpets, scratched hardwood, or outdated tile can make a home feel less valuable. Replacing old carpets with hardwood engineered wood or luxury vinyl plank flooring instantly modernizes the space. If hardwood floors are already in place but look dull, refinishing them can bring them back to life without the need for a full replacement. Consistency in flooring is key. A home with multiple flooring types can feel disjointed, while a seamless flow from room to room makes the space feel more expansive. Buyers are drawn to homes that require minimal effort to move into, and a home with fresh, updated flooring feels both stylish and well-maintained. Investing in paint and flooring is one of the highest returns on investment you can make, boosting your home's value with minimal effort. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 7 secrets that can boost your home's market value. From smart upgrades to simple fixes, these strategies can help you maximize your investment and attract the right buyers. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.